So today I want to show you how to hopefully use up a lot of scrap yarn and get a reusable cloth in the process. It's very easy to do, and I will show you from start to finish exactly how to do this cloth. All you need is a bunch of scraps or another yarn you want to get rid of. I used a 100% cotton yarn in a size 2, so it's a fine weight. And I used a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. First, you want to tie your scraps together. So you have a little piece of yarn here and you want to tie it together with the next piece. So I used the magic knot to tie them together. I find this method to be the strongest and most invisible method to tie yarns together. So I simply just tie a knot around the first one and then tie a knot around the other one. I have another tutorial where I show this very slowly so everyone can follow if you don't know this method already. But when it's tied together, I do the magic. So I pull them together. Just take this one out and they are very secure. Then I cut the excess yarn away like that. And then you have this almost invisible knot. Then you take your yarn ball and then you're ready to crochet. And we begin with a chain. So make a slip knot. And then we chain 50. So yarn over, pull through. Whoops. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And then we just keep chaining until we have 50 chains. I do 50 chains and my cloth ends up being 22 centimeters across. So of course you can do fewer or more chains if you want it to be smaller or bigger. So now I will just show you a little sample right now. So let's pretend there is 50 chains right here. I will now skip this first chain, and in the second chain I will do a half double crochet. So yarn over and insert the hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through. So you have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And again, find your next chain. It might be quite difficult to see because there is a knot right here, but just pretend it doesn't exist. Go into your next chain and half double crochet like so. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and half double crochet. Continue this way all the way across with 1 half double crochet in each chain. When you're all the way across, you have 49 half double crochet if you did 50 chains. You will now chain 1 to get turning, and then turn the whole thing, and then you skip this turning chain and move on to the second stitch. You will still work half double crochet, but only through the back loop of the stitch. So this is the entire stitch, but the back loop is this one. So work a half double crochet in the back loop only. So yarn over and insert the hook through the back loop of the second stitch from your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1. So you have your 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And again, yarn over, then find your next stitch and work through the back loop only. Yarn over, pull through 1, so you have your 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook through the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now you work a back loop half double crochet in each stitch all the way across. When you make it all the way across, you repeat. So chain 1, turn, and work a back loop half double crochet in each stitch all the way back. So just repeat this row again and again until you like the size of your cloth. And when you like the size of it, you just stop crocheting. I will now give you the measurements from my cloth, and I did 22 centimeters on either side. Now you will cut the yarn, so just leave a bit for sewing, weaving in the ends, and then you just pull this loop through the entire way. Then you find your tapestry needle and thread it, and then you just weave in the end on these stitches up here, just a few times back and forth. And when it's secured, I cut the yarn again. I always do it 3 times as a minimum, back and forth, and that will make sure it lasts in the washing machine. So now that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!